Shaka Shaka. Hi, this is Bruce DeFreitas, back again with the building of the Lady Tara. In this video, we'll be seeing me put on the foredeck and build the aft deck. Also install the steering so that we can have steering movement. Please like and subscribe to this video so that you can see the finishing of the Lady Tara. Thank you.
Right, I've completed all the planking on the side. I've put on the rub rails and put some planking on the deck to where it's in line with the masts, so I have a support for the mast. But I've deliberately left it open so that I can see in and adjust things as I move along. Like, for instance, this has got to be open because I have to do the steering next after I finish the planking on this side. I've also made everything so that I can travel with it. Like, I can bubble wrap this hull and take it in my suitcase because I can take off the masts and they centered really nicely. Even the bowsprit comes out. So there we go. She's coming along. I've also put on the stern. So I built a rudder and installed it here so that we can do some steering after. I've attached a piece inside here at the top of the rudder so that when I pull it with the cord, the cable that pulls those things, I get reaction to the rudder at the bottom. I've built the steering, and here it is. I took a piece of nylon, there you're getting a good look at it, and threaded that piece. The steering cord will be wrapped around that piece, and when you turn the wheel, which would be at this end, then the rudder will move. This will go in there. This is the steering gear, and that will go like right there. But that goes down inside. Okay then. I finished the foredeck and cleaned it up really nice, made the wood look really great, so I don't have to mess with that again. Then I went ahead and built the steering gear column that's sitting there. I've anchored it down, and that's where it's going to sit. And then I've built the steering gear. And the steering gear, I bought this as a key ring on Amazon and used the wheel. It's the right scale for the ship. And then this part that I've got this string wrapped around is actually a piece like this that I made using this tool, which is called a die, and it makes thread. In this case, I selected 1/2 inch national coarse so that the string will bury itself at the very root of the thread and provide really great friction. So the steering gear consists of the steering column and the nylon piece that's threaded on there, and with the wheel. And this all fits on here, like the string goes through there, and it's going to be tied on to the the ear of the rudder, and this steering gear actually fits right like this. A cover will come over there. Get these strings out of the way. Anyway, we've got the idea. The strings go through there, tie on in there, and when we turn the wheel, it will move the rudder. After I get all that done, then I finish off this deck and clean it up. and then we're pretty much home free. And I'll sand it 400 and make it look beautiful.
Shaka shaka.